You know those four words? Quiet moment. I'm becoming better, more in tune with stillness and quietness. Because I understand how important it is to listen and to listen actively and to quiet down the noise and more about the noise that's in me. The external forces are not going to define who I am. I've already made a decision. It's what's on the inside. So my focus is to quiet down the noise on the inside so I can really and truly listen and pay attention to who I am, what I'm doing, what I should be doing, not doing. So introspection, again, is very much a part of that because I'm really looking within and examining my steps, my walk in the past and now, because that is what will inform what I do in the future. So clear examination is going on. And then I'm engaging myself, and I'm engaging myself in a very deliberate, intentional way that as I walk and leave my footprint, it's saying something, and it's aligned with what I am discovering I'm here to do. So that is how I am pursuing, and it's in pursuit. It's in pursuit. And for me, the fulfillment, it's not so much about the fulfillment, but it's the pursuit. Because I understand that my purpose is while I may fulfill it here, there's going to be something else and something else and something else. Because the work is ongoing, it's continuous. It's not ending until I can't do anything about it, right? At that point, it will have made a difference somewhere along the line. So that's how I am pursuing my purpose. That's how mine is. And of course, all of that is informed by my early days, my mother being such an important trailblazer in my life. She set the standards, and through her way she lived her life, I learned. Yeah, she played such an important role, the most important role, I would say. And so that's where it all got started for me personally. And then my family members, siblings, and the closeness, and by extension, my cousins and other important people in my life, my surrounding, the ecosystem that I grew up in and continue to live in. That's informing my sense of purpose and my understanding of it.